In this series, But What About AirCrete, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked and often overlooked questions. We've been living and building and teaching AirCrete for years now, and with the state of the world and the economy and the uncertain times, there's never been a better time for you to get your own home affordably built that's going to keep you comfortable. So rather than do what most people do and talk out of our butt, can I cure AirCrete like AAC blocks myself? And actually, yes, you can. All you need is a steel drum with a lid and a clamp, and put a fire under it, drop your bricks in, stack them up intermittently, and create steam. And given enough time, they will rapidly cure so that they are ready to move. And this is the best way to make AirCrete blocks that are going to be transported to your construction site.